This petition is dismissed.
Deeply.
May I please, Your Lordship? May I pray for taking up an unlisted motion today, Your Lordship? If Your Lordship, we can bring it before Your Lordship rises, Your Lordship.
If it comes within time.
Lords.
May it please, Your Lordship. Yesterday, my lord
Deeply.
had allowed the prayer for listing of a motion. My bad, my lord. The annexure was wrongly marked. We corrected it at 2.
I don't know if it comes
No, we
within
corrected,
time.
absolutely. Right, Lordship.
Madam, yesterday I had filed a petition, madam. It may come on 8th of this month.
8th of this month?
8th, I not on petition for it.
Okay, no, let it go to the registry. Go to the registry.
May I please? With the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item 12. madam.
Yes,
It may come after revision. In fact, my lord, they need to file. a
item 12. Okay, right, on the prayer for adjournment made by Mr. P. Hazarika,
petition.
which is, who submits that he has taken the consent of the other side, leaves the matter after the vacation.
The interim order that will be.
Interim order to continue till the next day. Yes,
May I please, Lordship? I beg to mention listing of the writ petition after the vacation. It will be 24th or 25th.
yeah, exists, it's a pending matter,
Yes.
pending matter, 24th. Okay.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, I beg to mention with the consent of other side, my lord, item 13, may be taken after vacation.
Is it infructuous, this matter?
Perhaps, it will be infructuous.
Huh?
Infructuous.
Like concept related.
Huh? Yes?
Concept related case. Concept related case. Concept case.
Body is not available now.
So it is it infructuous?
Infructuous.
Then if it's infructuous, why should we adjourn?
Okay.
Right, Mr.
Yeah, Malongi.
M. Alam.
Gir.
Alamgir, then counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. G. Uddin,
Anuddin.
N. Uddin,
Yes.
then counsel for the respondent,
Number 6.
number 6. Submit that. The writ petition has become infructuous. Accordingly, the writ petition is dismissed as infructuous.
I'm obliged.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 7. That matter is infructuous.
Item
number
7. Okay, all three.
7 and 8.
7, 8, right. Mr. J. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the writ petitions have become infructuous. Accordingly, the writ petitions are dismissed as infructuous. Then you write in the IA, in view of the dismissal, in view of the dismissal of the writ petitions as infructuous, the IA is also accordingly disposed of.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I pray for listing of a writ petition, Lordship, regarding contract matter, Lordship, today itself, Lordship.
Today,
Today.
a new matter.
Sure.
Okay, we can see if it comes in time.
Lordship. And also, Lordship, item number 14, it may be taken up after vacation, Lordship,
Dear father,
or petitioner.
where is your, are you filing reply or not?
We will file, Lordship.
Are you filing or
Yes,
not?
Lordship.
Then why didn't you file?
Okay.
You had so much time.
Yes,
Then
immediately after vacation.
the Mrs. R. Devi, learned counsel for the petitioner, prays for 2 weeks time to file affidavit in reply. Praise the Lord. This is the matter after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
Yes, Mr. Islam.
May I please, Lord? I need to mention for item number 21, madam.
Yes.
Matter is infructuous, madam. Already.
Okay, Mr. B. Islam, learned counsel for the petitioner, petitioner submits that the matter has become infructuous. Accordingly, the contempt petition stands closed.
With the consent of the other side, item number 15, madam. Then it will be after the vacation. Compliance is evident. I have taken the consent from the petitioner side.
5 years have passed, Mr. Counsel.
On my 30th of October.
Okay, right. Mr. B. Gogoi, learned counsel for the petitioner, respondent.
Respond.
Respondents says that the matter may be listed on 3010. So stop.
Okay.
He submits that he has taken the consent of the petitioner's counsel. Accordingly, list this matter on 3010.
May I plead your lordship? I pray for listing a matter after Buddha vacation on the reason of non-payment of contract note.
Okay.
May I plead? Metals.
Yes.
This is relating to issuance of a
Non-issuance of the IMFL license.
lot.
Now, what about this letter that has been issued on 13 September? Your proposal has been rejected.
I have not been communicated.
Correct?
Yes, my lord, on the last occasion, I submitted this letter, but court directed me to.
Anyway, it's here now. Since you challenge this, just see.
Let him file the.
No, just see. What do you mean? What will happen if he files? You have to challenge it. The
No,
first and
yes.
second line.
He has got no authority. Because it is
You have to
not a,
challenge it, no? Whether he has got
Okay.
authority or not.
let him file affidavit. now.
Mr. Counsel, this is a writ petition. Okay, he's got no authority.
No authority.
Okay.
Because-
Who is the authority?
Commissioner Excise.
Okay. Is it?
It is there in
Who
the
gives the license as per the law?
Commissioner Excise Melo.
Give me back the letter. Give me back the letter.
Yes, but the letter is written by the joint secretary. Joint secretary has nothing to do.
Under what provision?
Section 115
Okay, right.
and 16.
I heard Mr.
S. Sharma.
S. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner who submits that the rejection of the petitioner's application for an IMFL off on license via letter dated 13/9/2024 issued by the Joint Secretary BTC is not valid in as much as the authority who can reject the proposal. In as much as the authority who issues the IMFL on license is the. Yes, Mr. Shah.
Commissioner Excise.
Huh?
Commissioner Excise.
Commissioner Excise under what rule? Show me the rule.
115 and 116
Page.
is 126.
Under rule 114. Bracket Roman 2 small. Of the Assam Excise Rules 2016. No, Mr. Counsel, you see, it says here with the previous sanction of the state government.
Yes, ma'am.
Then sanction of state government is, so unless there is a the state government has rejected your proposal. End of the matter.
No, once the report is inquiry is over, state government has got nothing to do. This is
Please, just show me.
this is the judgment, my lord. It's all about court, my lord. State government has got no rule.
But sanction of the government is necessary.
Sanction has been done. That is done. That is why, my lord,
Where is the sanction done?
it is the excise department. What you will find. The enquiry report at page 19. Page 17, 18 and 19.
Page
Of
17,
17, 18 and 19.
17.
17 is the Deputy Commissioner of Excise. Nothing at first appears to be last line.
Mr. Counsel, Deputy Commissioner of Excise
Lordship.
is not the government. Please understand that. And let us see 18, Superintendent of Excise is not the government also.
And so far as my lord, BTC is concerned,
Inspector of Excise is not the government also.
and this excise matter is not a transport matter to BTC. So BTC has got no rule.
BTC has got no role.
No rule.
What have I said? Full stop, next para. Okay, right. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Mr. B. Chaudhary accept notice on behalf of the BTC,
Yes, Lordship, 3, 3, 4 and 5.
3, 4 and 5, while Mr.
I got for 1 and 2.
I. Bhattakur accept notice on behalf of number 1 and 2. Full stop, next slide. Section 11, Rule 114 of the Assam Excise, 114 bracket 2, of the Excise Rules 2016 states that subject to Rule 279 of the rules, license for retail sale of foreign liquor off or on the premises shall be granted by the district collector with the previous sanction of the state government on payment of the annual license fee as may be prescribed by the state government from time to time. Full stop. Acha, one more thing you write before that. The petitions council further states that that excise is not transferred subject to the BTC. And as such, the sanction of the government would mean sanction of the state government, the government of Assam. Full stop. If you notice, and then rules and full stop. And Mr. B. Chaudhary shall submit his affidavit incorporating the letter dated 13/9/2024 issued by the Joint Secretary BTC and shall also clarify as to whether the excise is a transferred subject to the BTC. Ms. I. Bhattakur shall also obtain instructions and file affidavit as to whether the sanction of the government of Assam or the government or the BTC is required for grant of license by under Rule 114 bracket 2. This is the matter after 4 weeks. Okay. Acha, my call this here. Call this. Is it there? Call this. Yes.
In this matter, the petitioner has retired from service on 20th of February 2013, and he has not been paid.
Let us see the High Court order.
Yes, Your Lordship. High Court order is here. Your Lordship. Page. Your Lordship, see page 55. Page 67, yeah, operative part. Is 67. Para 20. As discussed above, if the impugned order of dismissal was invalid, illegal and or void of initiative at the inception, any subsequent development related to reference to the question cannot alter the said question. In the instant case when a petition was dismissed from service, the condition considered proceeding was very much pending required approval of the authority as per provision of section 32 of the Act. No such approval was sought for. That being the position, the impugned order of dismissal is void of initiative in such a situation. Irrespective of dropping the.
So nothing was said about retirement benefit.
No, it's there. It's there.
Huh? Where is
Your
it?
Lordship will see the Supreme Court order.
Mr. Counsel, please understand
Yes.
one thing. I am talking about the High Court order. I have not reached the
Your
Supreme
Lordship,
Court order.
when this order was, he didn't retire at that point of time.
Okay, he didn't retire. Okay, then Supreme Court order, yes.
Supreme Court order said the retirement benefit should be given to him immediately.
Page
Your Lordship, turn to page 75.
75. Retirement
These
benefit
are-
have not been paid, the same should be paid.
Your
Yes.
Lordship, this SLP was filed against refusal of granting back wages, the SLP was filed, Your Lordship.
So that was rejected.
Yes, sir. That was it.
SLP was
Yes,
dismissed.
yes, yes. Dismissed. However, the order of reinstatement has attained financially the petitioner has attained the age of superannuation. He would be entitled all retirement benefit in terms of reinstatement that must be granted to him. If such area is not been.
Yes, so he is asking for retirement benefit. Is he entitled to retirement benefit?
My lord, that will be, that the bank and the bank will.
Okay, right.
But-
Mr. P. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that in terms of the order dated 14/3/2016 passed by the Supreme Court in SLP, no, SL SLP bracket C number 8426 of 2018-14. 8426 of 2014. The petitioner is entitled to retirement benefits which has not been paid to him till date. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Mr.
RB Goswami,
R.B. Goswami accepts notice on behalf of
comment number 1.
point number 1. Petitioner takes steps for service of notice upon the respondents number 2 and 3 by registered post daily within 3 days. This is the matter after 4 weeks.
3 days will be holiday also.
Then the holiday is for 2 weeks. So should we say 2 weeks? The office is open, Mr. Council. It's that the courts are not functioning, that's all.
This matter pertains to the outstanding dues.
Huh?
Outstanding dues in contextual.
Okay, right. Heard, Mr.
J. Abbas.
J. Abbas, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the petitioner's contractual dues amounting to rupees 2793,173 has not been paid. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Mr. B. Chowdhury accepts notice on behalf of
1 and 2.
1 and 2. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon the respondents number 3, 4, and 5 by registered post with daily within 3 days. This is the matter after 4 weeks. Heard Mr. Jay Barbuya, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the petitioner's vehicle hire charges amounting to rupees 99,29,909 has not been paid. Issue notice census, yes, 4 weeks, and to make it 5 weeks. The other one also make it 5 weeks. Mr. K. Gogoi accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents. Huh? And this is a matter after 4 weeks 5 weeks to enable the respondents to file affidavit.
Pendants of the case, my lord, may not be filed.
Pendency of the case, huh?
That part no, it
If admissible, my lord.
is not an admitted portion of it. After
Okay,
instruction
next.
was-
I do file. Lordship, in this case, an opinion is appearing, he is on late sometime.
After some time.
Item 6, Lordship,
After some time.
meet please, my lord. My lord, there is a connected writ petition 4658 of 2024. I pray that this may be listed after vacation along with this, along with the writ petition number 4658 of 2020.
What is your case?
The case, my lord, is we had applied for the bid. We were the bidders there. Thereafter, our bid was not, and during the technical selection, our bid was not selected and our earnest money was forfeited. Against that, we have come because the bid security in the tender document, there were certain grounds under which the bid security could be forfeited. And our conclusion is that we did not fall under any of this ground for our bid security to be forfeited. There were initially 3 tenders,
Okay, right. Heard, Mr.
and Chaudhary.
N. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the petitioner participated in the NIT for construction of Time Museum, TAI, Time Museum. Though the state respondents had cancelled the tender process, comma. No, don't say that. You just say the petitioner's technical bid was rejected at the technical bid evaluation stage. Full stop. Though the NIT was later cancelled by the state respondents, comma. The respondents are not returning the earnest money submitted by the petitioner on the ground that he has forfeited the same due to
My lord, they state that there were conditions under the Public Procurement Act, owing to which these were not a part of the bid tender document, but owing to the public procurement rules, there are certain conditions. They state that as per that conditions, there was no fair competition, and as such, our bid security has been forfeited.
okay in terms of not say due to in terms of the what procurement
Assam Public Procurement Rules, matter.
Assam Public Procurement Rules 2020. Comma specifically clause 6, bracket 3, bracket C, comma, bracket D, comma, bracket E, bracket F. Huh?
Yes.
He also submits that there is a similar matter pending in the court that is WPC number
4658 of 2020.
4658 of
24, matter.
2024. He prays that the present matter be tagged along with the above case. The praise allowed, this, no, wait, Mr.
MBL also.
Mbuya.
According
Should
to-
we issue notice or what? No need.
We can serve the extra copies, my lord.
Or you obtain this, what is the stage of the other case?
My lord, notices were not issued. Initially, both.
Notice not issued in that
Not,
one.
not in.
Okay, then we won't issue. Mr.
MBL.
Mbuya appears for
Respondent numbers 2 and 3.
2 and 3, while Miss,
I am Bora for respondent 5.
okay. List this matter after vacation along with WPC number, so and so.
Deeply pledged, my lord.
Supplementary notice 24.
Can it be taken out after some time? I have not received all the instructions.
After some time.
Yeah, two other.
Yeah, but I'll finish before 2. I'm not waiting for that long. Everything will finish before that.
25.
May I please, my lord? May I please, my lord? My lord,
Yes,
the petitioner was settled with a stone query, my lord. And while running the said query, he has suffered loss. He has submitted representations, my lord. That representations were rejected on technical grounds, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, he has filed one review application. And my lord, in the meantime, the authority has issued terminated the contract as well as blacklisted, my lord.
Huh?
Terminated the contract, my lord, and as well as blacklisted, my lord. Thereafter, this petitioner has approached this honorable court. And this.
where is the blacklisting order? Let me see blacklisting.
Yes, my lord. That is, my lord, at page number 39. my lord.
Yes, show me where does it say blacklisting?
He debarred from participating any tender. my lord.
Let us see, let us see.
Yes. Page 39. my lord.
Okay, not eligible to participate.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, then
Then
you
my lord-
challenge it.
Then, my lord, this petitioner has challenged before this honorable court. This honorable court has set aside that order, my lord, by guaranteeing the liberty to the authorities to, they may proceed afresh if they are so advised, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, the authority has issued a notice by fixing a date of hearing, my lord. On that day, the petitioner was ill, my lord, and his representative was also ill, my lord. Thereafter, they cannot appear for hearing, my lord. But they have prayed for a
Who is here? Who is in this case?
forest department.
Huh? Yes, forest department. Forest department. Where's the forest department?
My only prayer is that let they fix a date of hearing. And
I
my
don't
lord,
know.
After.
Right, heard Mr.
A.K. Gupta, my
A.K. Gupta, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the petitioner was settled with the mining permit area of Dili River Stone Quarry for the period 2016-18 with effect from 28/1/2016 for a total quantity of 5,000 cubic meters of stone at the offered price of rupees 5,55,123. Full stop. Alleging that then you take this para 2 at page 41. Oh, para 2. It ends at page 42. Okay. Full stop. The petitioner. Next para. The petitioner. No, wait, huh? No, then full stop. Then para 3, you take the 1, 2, 3. The para 3 also. Huh? Para 3 also. So page 41 and 42, para 2 and 3. Huh? Then you write Being aggrieved, the petitioner filed WPC 5650/2021, challenging the order dated 19/6/2021 on the ground that the same had been issued by violating the principles of natural justice. Full stop. Next para. This court, by order dated 22/2/2022, set aside the order dated 19/6/2021 on the ground that the same had been issued without following the principles of natural justice. Full stop. The respondent authorities were, however, given the liberty to proceed afresh against the petitioner. Full stop. Next. Subsequent to the order dated 5650/2021. No, order passed in 5650/2021. The
It's 60 minutes.
the DFO, Sibsagar Division, bracket T, issued a letter to the petitioner dated 22/12/2023,
Also, my lord, page 15.
requesting him to appear before him for physical hearing with respect to the review petition filed by the petitioner. Full stop. The petitioner's counsel submits, next para, that the petitioner could not appear on the date fixed for physical hearing, that is 15/3/2023, on the ground that he was unwell. Full stop. The petitioner's counsel praised that subsequent to the above date fixed for hearing, no other date has been fixed for hearing by the DFO. Full stop. He accordingly praised that a direction may be issued to the DFO concerned to fix a date for physical hearing of the petitioner in pursuant to the order passed by this court in WPC number 5650/2021. Yes, but what to do?
Lordship,
His case is that
the first period is over, your lordship. This period,
period is over.
period is already over, your lordship.
Okay.
And
And the period is over and some other person has been settled or no?
My lord, this period is over for 2 years. My lord, there is also concealment of facts. On the same set of facts, my lord, he had filed 3 petitions and his debarment is gone. Secondly, my lord, I have specific instructions.
His debarment is
Yes,
gone.
debarment is gone, my lord. It's
The
been-
period is finished.
Yes, my lord. And that also, my lord, it was for 2 years. And secondly, my lord, this person, this petitioner, my lord, Kailash Jalan, he's a resident of Rajasthan. We have been trying to reach him, he's not there. He's sending his attorney holder, my lord, who is seeking time upon time. That is our issue, my lord.
My lord, with regard to submission, there are 3 writ petitions, my lord. There are 3 different resto inquiries, my lord. This is with
No, my lord,
regard,
debarment will affect everybody, everything.
yes.
But one touch, debarment goes, my lord. We have considered that debarment was wrong, it's gone. And way back, it is a mahal of 14, settled in 16, my lords. 2 years, it is gone. And this person, we have been trying to reach him, my lords. He only sends this attorney.
Now, what do you want now? What is your
I only want a opportunity of hearing, my lord, because
opportunity in the opportunity of hearing? What do you want to pray for?
my lord, there are, apart from my lord extension, there are other prayers, my lord, remission and all these
Just,
prayers.
just
are
tell
there.
me, what are your prayers?
My lord, my,
Is-
my,
Let us see, what is your prayer?
my lord, my review petition is that it is at page 33, my lord. It's a chart from page 33, my lord.
So is there, it has not been settled with anybody
No,
else?
my lord, it has been settled, it's been going on, my lord.
Already settled?
Already, my
Then
lord.
there's finish.
Even
My
lordship.
lord, my instruction is that it is not settled, and my lord, apart from extension, there is prayer for remission, and all these prayers are there, my lord,
In
not
fact,
only
my
the
lord,
extension, my lord.
another-
Because, my lord, I.
You see, Mr. Counsel, you were given a letter in 23.
Yes.
You have kept quiet. Now suddenly, after 9 months, you suddenly come to this court and say that you want a date. Were you sick for 12 months or 9 months? What were you doing? Where is your medical certificates
My lord,
that you are sick?
My lord, medical document I have not annexed, my lord.
Then How do we know that you're telling us that right slipped here, but treatment is going on physically? Injured right leg slip.
Yes.
What do you mean? Injured right leg slip.
The language is my lord, wrong, my lord, but on that day, the representative of the petitioner was not to.
Huh?
No, my lord, what are the,
That day,
this
my-
person is
Yes.
approaching the office. We are saying we are not hearing you. You bring the original Kalat Jalan. You are not Kalat Jalan. He is my lord.
My lord, that is.
He is
different
Sudarshan
case.
Rai, attorney holder. My
My
lord,
lord,
will
that
kindly
is
see the
different case,
affidavit.
my lord.
Just a minute.
My lord, will kindly see the
He's one
affidavit.
is speaking,
Yes, ma'am.
one at a time.
My lord,
It's
see-
not a fish market.
my lord, kindly see affidavit. Sudarshan Rai, attorney holder. Page 17.
Yes.
Attorney holder. Attorney holder is visiting the office, my lords. That's why I'm not very inclined to give him this hearing. Kaila Jalan is himself not going, my lords, because he's in Rajasthan.
Tell this Sudarshan Rai to appear before this court on the next day. What does he want? Why is the, and let us see this letter. Sudarshan Rai.
My lord, I have.
Oh, it was Sudarshan Rai who has written the letter.
Yes, my
My
lord.
lord, he is the attorney of the petitioner, my lord. I have annexed the power of attorney, my lord. That is at page 18.
Interestingly, my lord, I have placed another order sheet. My lord will see the same petitioner comes to this court, says there are illegal rampant mining going on and tender, we should be settling it with tender, my lord. Settling. This Kaila Jalan, same person, my lord. This was dismissed by lordship. There is no whisper of anything in this petition, my lord.
Tell the writ petitioner to come to this court. All right. Mr. D. Gogoi, learned counsel for the forest department. Is given time to obtain instructions. Leaves the matter on November, give a date. 8 November, on which date the petitioner should appear before this court.
Can it be earlier, a bit earlier?
Everything is too full, no hurry.
All right.
Timing around 5.
Lordship, Finance Department by notification dated 19 December 2016 issued a guideline in respect of delegation of financial powers and rules.
Mr. Counsel, we have filed a similar matter. Correct?
Where is it? That is relates to other case. Lordship, kindly peruse page 12. Page 12.
No, come to page 14.
Yes.
Come to page 13. You have filed a similar case
Oh,
in 2485. How can you file two cases?
Lordship, may I submit? Issue is that in 2485, two tender writ petitions there. Subsequently, I have noticed that those writ petitions also in violation of the delegation of financial power. And subsequently, I filed a writ petition and Honorable Justice Mr. Chilo, he issued an order directing me to get proper information. And subsequently, I filed a RTI and after the RTI reply,
What right of yours has been violated? Just tell me what right of yours has been violated.
no delegation of financial power because
Mr. Counsel, this is not a PIL court. If you want to file a PIL, you go to the division bench.
but so far this is present concern. This is maintainable because
Mr. Counsel, just tell me one thing. What right of yours has been violated in this case?
this case is violated because tender is invited by the chief engineer in violation of delegation of financial.
Did you participate in the tender?
Violation is there. How can I participate? Violation is there because
Who is he, Lordship?
Lordship, let me submit. Lordship, let me submit. I am the contractor of by profession. And chief engineer has violated the specific delegation.
Okay, just tell me, did you file any representation saying that you have violated? Did you, when the NIT was issued, when was the NIT issued?
21st of November.
21st
September.
September 2024. Did you submit any representation?
The petition I did not submit, but
Why?
That-
Where? Why didn't you submit?
no, no, his lordship,
Is it your case that you wanted to take part in the NIT?
No way, no.
my
No,
submission.
no, you see, Mr. Counsel, you see, you like to come and address the court, that is a different issue. That is your personal issue.
And decision
But
of
we
yours-
have got to see the thing as, please understand, please listen to me. This is not, you come and you talk whatever, you go to the park and you want to argue there. The issue is this. There is an NIT issued. Is it your case that you wanted to participate in it?
Yes,
Where have you written in your writ petition?
this,
Where have you written in your writ petition that you wanted to participate in the NIT?
lordship, as you please pass that.
I will pass, no doubt, but I have to ask questions as to why you have filed this case.
But I am.
Now,
filing-
another thing, please answer another thing. You did not file any representation to the authorities that you have got no authority to file this NIT. Have you said that to anybody? Yes. Where is the NIT page?
Page 18 onwards.
21/9/2020. When is the last date?
Last date is 18th of October.
Okay. Anything?
Lordship, government is not a party, first of all, Lordship. The state of Assam is not a party in this case, technically, Lordship. Secondly, Lordship, paragraph 1 of the writ petition, Lordship, kindly see, the petitioner is a contractor by profession. He is not a registered contractor of the irrigation department. He is nowhere mentioned, Lordship, that he is a registered contractor of the irrigation.
No, before that, is there anywhere he has said that he wants to take part in
No,
the,
Lordship, nothing.
in the NIT?
Nothing gets out.
Lordship, my humble submission is I am challenging the notification of finance department. If lordship is pleased that my submission is illegal, not in properly with no legal backing, then up to the court. But as per this notification,
I am going to dismiss it anyway. That is,
but at least notice to be issued.
no, sorry. You can, there is nothing to issue notice. This is not, first of all, last date of submission of tender is also not finished. It is still on 18/10.
Yes.
Yeah, you have not even submitted any representation to the authority.
At least allow me to submit representation at least that sort of.
Where is the bar? Where is the bar? Who has barred you? Has anyone barred you? Right. Heard the petitioner in person, who has prayed for cancelling the NIT slash the NIT, just a minute. That's
Page 19.
page.
Page 19.
They have prayed for cancelling the notice inviting tender dated 21/9/2024. Hereinafter referred to as the NIT. On the ground that the same the same has been issued contrary to the provisions of the Delegation of Financial Powers and Rules. Wide notification number FEB full stop 268/2016/1 bracket B slash S bracket close dated 19/12/2016. Where is this notification?
Page 12.
Issued by the Commissioner Secretary to the Government of Assam. Finance bracket ESTT-B bracket close B department, page 12. Okay. The petitioner's counsel submits that the NIT has been issued by the Chief Engineer, Minor Irrigation Department, Assam, though in terms of the notification dated 19/12/2016, the same is to be issued by
Chief
whom?
engineer, Lordship.
Huh?
Chief engineer. Chief engineer has full power, Lordship.
No,
I don't know what is the problem. It is to be issued by whom?
the notification is issued by Commission Secretary Finance Department. No, it's Chief Engineer Minor,
The NIT is to be issued by whom?
issued by Chief Engineer Minor Irrigation.
It has been issued by the chief engineer.
Other people, the executive engineer up to 10 lakh, that's the problem. Executive engineer up to 10 lakh.
Yeah,
Up to-
Lordship, here the tender has been issued by chief engineer, Lordship.
Lordship, kindly go through the page at least. Kindly go through the page for a minute.
Yes, I am going through.
You see you see the para three onwards. Page 12, page 3,
This NIT is for what is the amount?
Lordship,
77 crores, 74 crores.
74 crores, 7432.944 lakhs.
And minimum.
What have I said? What have I said? Has been issued by the chief engineer. Submit that the NIT, which is for approximate value of rupees 7432.944 lakhs, has been issued by the chief engineer, Minor Irrigation Department, Assam. Though the same should have been issued by the superintendent engineer.
Executive engineer in his group, superintendent in his group like that. Because small groups are there, no? That is not within the jurisdiction of chief engineer. That is jurisdiction of executive engineer up to 10 lakhs, up to 1 crore.
Should be, is to be issued by the executive engineer,
Executive engineer-
concerned engineer,
Executive
executive
engineer
engineer.
respectively.
Huh?
Executive engineer and superintendent respectively proportion to their delegation.
Okay, but by the concerned superintendent engineer / executive engineer. Good stuff. Next, Mr. N. Upadhyay, Learned Counsel for the Minor Irrigation Department, submits that the last date of submission of tender is
1810, Lordship.
18/10/2024. He also submits that there is no bar for the chief engineer to issue the NIT in terms of the notification dated 19/3/2006.
Lordship, absolutely, Lordship.
He also submits that the state of Assam has not been made a party in the writ petition. He accordingly submits that the writ petition should be dismissed. I have heard the learned counsels for the party. A perusal of the writ petition shows that the state of Assam has not been made a party to the writ petition. The above being said, it is clear from the notification dated 19/12/2016 that the chief engineer has full power in issuing an NIT.
No, not NIT, sir.
Full stop. Has the full power to issue technical sanction to original works and special repairs. Full stop. Further, the chief engineer has got the full power to accept tender of value
Beyond rupees 5.
beyond
Crore.
rupees
500 lakhs, Lordship.
200 lakhs. What 5 crores?
Lordship, please. 3, Lordship, Roman 3, Lordship.
Huh?
Roman 3, Lordship.
Where? Which page?
Same page.
Huh?
Page 12, Lordship.
Yeah.
Acceptance of tender, Lordship. One tender value more than rupees.
More than 200 lakhs.
Lordship.
crores.
Lordship.
Full stop. As such, this court does not find any infirmity with the issuance of a tender of approximately 74 issuance of a tender amount, the estimate value of rupees 7,432.944 lakh.
In different groups.
Whatever may be, he's allowed to, he's got full power beyond 200 lakhs. This is 7,000 something lakhs. So,
Lordship, he is not allowed to, he is allowed to accept a tender, but technical, but if go.
full stop. Next. Full stop. This court has also noticed that nowhere in the writ petition has the petitioner made any averment that he intends to participate in the NIT. And full stop. Further, despite the last date for submission of tender being 18/10/2024, the petitioner has not submitted any representation to the authorities with regard to his grievance.
His locus is,
Huh?
Lordship may also mention his locus tendi.
Locus, then the locus.
Locus standi with regard to what?
Filed.
No, it doesn't matter. Full stop.
Lordship.
On considering all the above issues, this court does not find any ground to. No, in view of the above reasons, this court does not find that the petitioner has got any locus standi to file this writ petition, inasmuch as the petitioner has not been able to show this court as to what legal or fundamental right of the petitioner has been violated by the respondents with the issuance of the NIT. In view of the reasons stated above, the writ petition stands dismissed.
All right, Lord. All right.
Wait, please, my lord.
26. Yes,
My lord, the petitioner here is an ex-serviceman who had applied for a rural dealership outlet of HPCL.
okay, what is to be done, Mr. Bhattakur? We'll issue notice.
My lord, may in the meantime kindly stay our.
No,
selection of this.
already someone else has been selected.
My lord,
We'll say outcome will be, it'll be subject to the outcome of the petition. Okay, right. Heard, Mr.
K. Borua. Orindam Borua.
Huh?
Orindam Borua.
Arindam Barwa, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the petitioner participated in the selection process for allotment of a dealer-owned sites, rural outlet, with the HPCL pursuant to an advertisement dated 28/6/2024. Though the petitioner was provisionally selected for allotment of the distributorship,
Yes.
the same was subsequently cancelled by the HPCL on the ground that all the co-patadars had not signed the lease agreement for the land on which the petitioner was intending to establish his distributorship. Full stop. The petitioner's counsel submits that in terms of note 3 bracket 1 small, to clause 4 bracket Roman 6 of the guidelines. Where is the guidelines? Where is the guidelines?
on selection of dealers. Which
Page
24.
24. As per the guidelines on selection of dealers for regular and retail outlets through draw of lots / bidding process, inverted commas from guidelines. It is at page 24 at the top. If the provisionally selected candidate had not provided the consent of all the co-patadars, the provisionally selected candidate was to be given 21 days time to get consent of all co-owners for the offered land, failing which the candidature of the provisionally selected candidate was to be rejected. Full stop. He further submits that in terms of clause 14, capital E bracket Roman 10 of the guideline, comma, the rectifiable deficiency was to be intimated to the provisionally selected candidate to submit the required documents within 21 days. Full stop. He submits that no such time had been given to the petitioner to rectify the curable defect. Full stop. Instead, the HPCL has selected the respondent number 5 or 3
Respondent number
as the successful candidate. Full stop. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Mr. S. Bhattakur accepts notice on behalf of
1 and 2, madam.
1 and 2. Petitioner takes steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 3 by registered post with AD within 3 days. This is the matter. When this is the matter after the vacation. It is made clear that the selection of the respondent number 3 will be subject to the outcome of the writ petition.
I'll just submit one thing. I'll do not have the address of the respondent number 3.
You don't have the address.
No.
It's
we
not
will be allowed
there.
to serve through them.
It's not there in your.
No. Because it was there.
Okay, okay. It's not there. Okay, what have I said? Petitioner takes steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 3 to be made through the respondent number
1 and
1, 2 or 1?
2.
2. Okay, 2. What to do?
Lordship, we have received instruction on the vernacular roads. So Lordship may fix after vacation Lordship in the meantime we will Lordship.
Okay, right. No one appears for the petitioner. Mr. K. Gugoi appears for the respondent submits that he has received instructions in the vernacular. He accordingly submits that the translated version of the instructions and the affidavit will be filed within
After 3 weeks Lordship.
After 3 weeks means after 10 years also.
Within a period of 2 weeks we will file Lordship after.
Within a period of 3 weeks. This is the matter. After the vacation.
Until then.
Right. In this case, I don't know what this petitioner wants. No one appears for the petitioner on call, while Mr. K. Gugoi appears for the respondent. It is noticed that no one had appeared for the petitioner on the last date also. The same gives rise to an inference that the petitioner is not interested in pursuing the matter. The writ petition is accordingly dismissed for non-prosecution.
Please.
Yes,
Lordship, long payment still.
yes, yes.
Instructions are still awaited.
5 years have gone, Mr. Councillor.
Let
And
it-
you also, you're not pursuing the matter. Mr. R. Gugoi, Learned Counsel for the
PH department Lordship.
PG department is granted 3 weeks time to obtain instructions and file affidavit if necessary. This is the matter of the 3 weeks.
Alright.
Ordered.
Lordship, in this matter, most of the payments have been made, your Lordship.
In this case, the fixation has been paid, but I have some time to take station whether he has received the money. or not. So later, maybe is after vacation, in the meantime.
You call him up now.
No, so
No need waiting.
I have tried to contact, but he didn't say he not reachable at this moment.
Not reachable.
It was the last year, Lordship, facility.
This is, you see, if he was not getting, he will certainly call you. He will certainly call you.
So I will.
No point. You all are not interested. You all are not interested. You are not interested for the last 2 years. This case has been kept. Why should I? This is between me and the contender only. Not they are nowhere in the picture. Once they have said that this has been done, it's been done.
We did after university vacation.
No, nothing. I'm not. You see, why do you want to trouble our registry every time bring the same file just because you all are not pursuing your case?
I understand.
Submit it to the treasury.
Any day after vacation.
No, 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 no. Sorry. If you want, I'll give you time. You go and talk to him now. If you can't talk to him now, you cannot talk to him later also. That's for sure. Right. Mr. A. Chhetri appears for the petition. Mr. R. Gogoi submits that. The sealing proposal has been approved by the Finance Department for payment of rupees 255.27043
2704.
lakhs to the petition. And the same is to be, and the same was to be submitted to the treasury. In terms of the fixation of ceiling dated
Yeah, ceiling dated.
31/3/2023. Is it? No.
That ceiling validity, your lordship.
What is the date of this document?
Not mentioned.
There's no date.
There is no date, but the FOC
No
number
date.
is there, 22/3/2023.
Huh?
FOC number is there at the top, your lordship. Dated 22/3/2023, there's a certificate
Okay.
of ceiling.
No, then after that, there is ceiling valid. Okay. Okay, right. Mr. A. Chhetri is given one last chance to obtain information as to whether the said money has been received by the petition. List the matter on, give a date. No, before that. Much before that.
Probably one of the petition is not interested. Last occasion, he also not.
You've got to pay ex gratia.
No, but,
Those are
in accident,
different. Huh?
Just died in an accident, my lord. And I am for the response number 6, my lord, and no notice has been given to me, my lord, prior to filing.
Hey, this is a contempt where you have got to give the ex gratia payment. You give the payment, then we'll close the matter.
These are an officer in charge of the normative police system.
Huh?
The main respondent is the DC, my lord.
Who is appearing for the DC? Okay, right, no one appears for the petition on call. Mr. S. Bhattakur appears for,
Response number 6, my lord.
that's point number 6. In the interest of justice, list the matter after the vacation.
May please lordship. Lordship, we had the quantum not lordship file affidavit lordship, but I have to file reply lordship. Not later will come after vacation lordship, then I will file reply. Please file lordship.
Yeah, my lord, I am appearing for R6.
What is to be done here?
The respondents have now raised dispute with regard to the allegations laid by the petitioners in the contempt petition. They say, my lord, that there is an order passed by the Honorable Court, where, my lord, restraint direction was issued by the Honorable Court not to interfere with the part and parcel of his land. Now, he says, my lord, that his land has been, my lord, disturbed upon, interfered upon by the authorities. The affidavits filed by the authorities, the alleged contemnants has raised otherwise, my lord. And my lord, I am representing R6. We have filed an affidavit on 23rd of September. That is not on record, my lord. We have duly filed an affidavit. I have the filing slip also. It is not on record.
Okay, right, Mr. R. Borpujari, learned counsel for the respondent number 6, submits that affidavit has been filed by the respondent number 6 on
On, my lord, 23rd of September.
23/9/2024. Registry to place the same on record. That's all. This is the matter after the vacation.
Your lordship, I am appealing for estimate number 1, 4, and 6.
Miss,
1, 4, and
no, your name.
5,
Miss K. Fugan appears for respondent number 1, 4, and 6.
5.
1, 5, and 6. 1, 4, and 5. Not six. Six is it. 1, 4 and 5, yes. Mr. D not appear for the point number 3. That's all?
And reply lordship, record lordship, I'll file lordship.
Huh?
I have to file reply lordship, I'll file lordship in the meantime.
In the meantime, the petitioner is allowed to file any reply affidavit that he wants to file.
Yes, sir. I am obliged to it.
Second small accommodation for today only also. Because I have to reconstruct my file, I have misplaced the brief also.
Mr.
D task also.
D das appearing for
That's one number 2.
the point number 2, prays for time to reconstruct his file as he has misplaced his file. This is the matter after the vacation.
22.
Yeah, happy for the response number 1, your lordship.
No one appears for the petitioner. Mr.
A Das, your lordship.
A das appears for the
Response number 1.
point number 1. Yes.
He's already retired, your lordship.
Huh?
He's already retired.
So
31st of March, and direction was to the state authorizes department, your lordship. Although not specific order, your lordship. Your lordship pays with the order. At page 19, the order.
no, this is for payment of the
Yes, the water resource will apprise your lordship regarding the payment. They have to apprise first as per the order, your lordship. The water resource has to communicate with the Jal Shakti Department, Government of India, not the Office of the Chief Secretary.
okay, right? No one appears for censor. This is the matter after the vacation.
Oblige, your lordship.
27.
Yes.
May I please, your lordship, kindly pass over the matter for the time being.
After that, we'll take you tell him to come fast because now we are going to start with the mention hasn't come. Okay.
Timing under 24.
If the mentioned cases do not come, then I'm rising.
Lordship, this
This item?
soft copy is this WhatsApp I've received the
Yes, what to do?
the WhatsApp I've received the instruction.
Yes.
Here in this case, the may just read 2 lines.
Yes, yes.
Lordship. According to the Railway Board circular number such and such dated 22/3/2022, the plot may be allotted to Rescam Kalivari on the ground of the first come first served basis. The first applicant, that means the respondent, the first application was received on 16/4/2024, and the railway wait for another application, but no one applied for the same up to till 3rd week of August 2024. As such, the proposal of the first application was sent to competent authority after financial vetting. Soon after vetting of the said proposal of the first applicant, the application of the petitioner had received on 27/8/2020, because there is a delay in submitting the application, for which it takes time for obtaining the administrative approval from the competent authority. Moreover, the E office was also not working during the last 2 weeks. As such, the railway has decided to allot the plot of question to the Rescam Kalivari committee. So it was done long back, Lordship. There is in the market repeat. So this is the instruction I received.
Your lordship, kindly see page 37, annexure 7.
You just send that to him.
Yes, yes. Understood.
Sorry, your lordship, annexure 6, page 11, page 33.
Yes.
It is railways affidavit in opposition
Yeah.
filed in a PIL case. PIL case was in 2022. All same matter.
Yes.
That was PIL and that is WPC. That affidavit in opposition, railway has submitted that. It is submitted that competitive bidding is possible when more than one party involved. Open auction may be done to fetch better value, but in the said matter, only one party applied for obtaining the land permission for conducting minimala. In that petition, only one party is applied. That's why they have given it. Actually, this first come first serve is not applicable in this case. As per the clauses, your
Was there any advertisement issued? I doubt.
Advertisement was not there, Lordship. This is the process in the each and every year. This application is.
No,
being
but
submitted.
then when there are 2 applicants,
So
now you
that is
cannot
the
use-
instruction I have received.
I
Lordship.
know.
Yes, the first.
Good, so we will change it. Now you see, one thing is that when is this Puja? Has he started working on it?
no, your lordship, it has started from 8th of October.
8th of October.
Yes,
And today is 4th.
and today is
4th. Here's the time.
and this is the topic of this
Huh?
case. Always the same thing is happening.
But
they
you
have-
also, why have you come in the last
Hmm.
minute?
Your lordship, actually, we had no knowledge. We are waiting. Only on 27th, my client has shown that some materials has dropped down on the field. Only on 27th, your
But
lordship.
you also came
And-
last minute.
28th, 29th, Saturday, Sunday. 30th, I have filed the petition. And from first onward, I am trying to release the matter, your lordship. And second doctor was
You
closed.
you should have come much earlier in point of time. You all leave everything to the last minute. Let me see this. And,
The department is saying that, yes, you wait. We are just preparing for auction. They have verbally assured, your lordship. And the one thing is that, your lordship, maybe this is first come, first served process. Then why they have received our application, your lordship, duly, and they have forwarded it? We have no issues with their procedure. If this is the real procedure, we have no problem.
just a minute. What is the status of the work done by this person? His respondent number?
Respond number 8, he has already, most of the works are already done.
Already
Last
done.
finishing touches because the puja is to be started on 7th.
From 6th October.
Yes, from 6th October. They've already started. Lordship, here the main managing committee, that is Pandu, Rescam, Kanivadi, that the main committee has not been a party in this instant petition. Today, only today morning, we came to know that a petition has been instituted against us. As such, we have approached this one. Even Vakalatama is just now, I probably. And the instant writ petitioner, he is not even a member of the managing puja committee.
You are a member
I'm a member.
of the Puja Managing Committee.
Where's the rule is that should be member? Is there a rule?
No, madam, the problem is this. You wait at the last minute. You wait for the last minute.
Yes,
Otherwise, if you had come at least a week,
Yes.
maybe sometime, at least sometime back, then I could have directed that an auction take place between you two.
Yes, your lordship, that I understand. your
But
lordship.
now it's too late. Now if he has
He has
done,
already started.
if he has done most of the work and puja is going to start day after tomorrow,
Hmm.
6th.
Yes, 6.
Now you see,
But we are also in that position, your lordship.
what?
Only, how can we file that only?
Even the application
Yes,
was filed
We
belatedly.
we have no materials to file the case
Back on
before
16th of
27. Before 27, we had
27th.
nothing. We had
27th.
nothing.
In the bill they filed.
You filed it on your
16th
application was
April.
27th August.
Yes,
27th
27th August.
Lordship, we have filed for the permission of this mini fair and puja. We have filed back on 16th of April. And they have filed on
27th.
27th of April.
27th.
8.
No, that is all right. Only problem is they have, your application is okay, understandable. But then you should have approached this court at the earliest. And supposing today, this court directs that an auction takes place,
It will take another 1 month.
entire puja will go.
Yes, another 1 month.
And it is one of the most prominent pujas of Guwahati.
Yes, that I understand, your lordship.
Now, you
To be
see,
honest, I
if I know, if I now what you have to think.
Moreover, Lordship, we have not been provided with the copies. We don't know what.
The copies after issues.
Nothing is, we don't even know what.
Your lordship, fortunately, I am also part of that area. I am from the resident. I know, I understand the sentiment, your lordship. But actually, my prayer is.
Okay, supposing I allow your writ petition, then the entire puja goes for a 6.
Yes, your
Exactly.
lordship.
You will not be able to set up your mini fair
It's practically not
within
possible.
2 days, no chance, because he has to take out everything.
Hmm.
And that also cannot be done because auction will have to be first done. Auction will be done probably tomorrow only at the earliest. Then whoever wins the auction, then they will have to fight. They'll have to do it.
And so many people's business will be affected. They are picking- I understand that, your lordship.
Now what to do?
But one request is there, your lordship.
Yes, yes.
Since many years, the same syndicate business is going on. I should not say like syndicate, but I'm sorry for that. The syndicate business is going on. That should be stopped, Your Lordship. Maybe I need.
Okay,
to
we'll
get
say
next-
so henceforth,
Yes, Your Lordship.
henceforth there should be advertisement issued by the concerned respondents
Yes, Your Lordship.
for running the mini fair. Correct?
No, the thing is that Lordship, as per the instruction, in the first paragraph of that instruction, it has been mentioned that after receiving this particular application on 16/4/2024,
Paragraph first,
Yeah, this,
first
uh,
paragraph,
this A Lordship, column A,
column, in your letter,
in that particular letter, Lordship.
give him a copy also. Give that lady a copy also, both of them, make copies for them.
In PIR also specific direction was given.
That they have not
What-
followed it.
As it's in. Just, Your Lordship, kindly see page 39. Page 39.
Page 13, page
Last
39.
The respondent authorities are, however, directed to make allotment only in accordance with law. As that time was the matter become infectious.
Where?
Page 39, last page,
Yes,
last part, last line.
yes.
The respondent authorities are, however, directed to make allotment
Only
only.
in accordance. Yes, you have an auction tomorrow.
Lordship, it is practically because we have specifically made a mention that it takes around 1.5 months to complete the entire process. If your Lordship kindly see,
For what process?
Lordship kindly see in the first page, the last paragraph,
First page, last paragraph, yes.
last paragraph.
Yes.
Observing the situation for the bidding and tendering process, it takes lots of time. It reveals that the second application received too late, that is on 27/8/2024, and the Durga Puja started from the day on Mahalaya. It is known to all that to observe the bidding system, it requires more than half a.
No, you see, there is another thing.
Yes, Lordship.
Isn't it your duty to issue an advertisement? Or are you waiting only for application?
Lordship, this is.
Where
system.
where is the system in the entire India or elsewhere in the world that you will start deciding only on the basis of applications? Isn't it your duty when these court orders are there that the advertisement should be issued so that you have proper competitive bidding? Yeah. And then you have got to understand, on 27th August, the letter was written by the petitioner. Why
Exactly.
didn't you answer straight away? Why didn't you answer to, why didn't you tell the,
That clarification is also there, Lordship, in the
Huh?
next page.
Huh?
4A, Lordship,
huh?
4A, according to the Railway Board circular numbers, Lordship got it?
Yes.
Circular number such and such dated 22/3/2002. The plot may be allotted to Rest Camp Kalivari on the ground of the first come, first served basis. So
No,
this is
first
circular.
come, first served basis does not apply, Mr.
The-
Counsel. When the,
Now,
when-
Lordship, kindly see the
Hmm.
next line, Lordship. The
Hmm.
first application was received on 16/4/2024, and the railway wait for another application, but no one applied for the same.
okay, when is the last date for submission of an application? Please tell the court, when is the last date when is the last date fixed by you? When is the last date for submission of an application?
No, that was not specifically mentioned, but the fact is that, Lordship, there is this particular application was
I
not
think
processed.
we will stay everything.
Lordship, this will.
Puja will go. So that
This will
the,
create havoc,
you
Lordship.
go to the division bench tomorrow.
But the difficulty is that, Lordship, because the application was filed belatedly, because he was aware, the petitioner was very much.
You also not fair.
No, the petitioner was very much aware about the fact that these sort of activities are going on in this particular area. And since he was intending to to participate in the fair, so he could have filed the application prior to that. So why?
So
he
you see,
had filed it-
Mr. Counsel,
Yes.
let just answer one question. On 27 August,
Yes,
the petitioner has written a letter to you.
yes.
When did you answer the petitioner that sorry, you're too late?
Now, it has been also processed, Lordship. That is the thing, that is the reason why I just
That
mentioned.
is what you have processed. And when
Yes.
did you give the final decision?
Final decision that was not given, Lordship, because it was processed. Lordship, kindly see, the E-office was also not working during the last 2 years, as such the railway decided to allot the.
So your decision was, so just because
Yes,
an application is processed,
yes.
does it mean that your actions are bona fide? Is it fair? Isn't it a duty for you to give answers? What does the Supreme Court say? That all decisions have to be based on reason. Now, in your case, there is no decision. Forget about reasons. You might have reasons, but you have no decision. So how will the petitioner know as to what should be the next course of action. For when you when you file writ petitions, don't you come to the court and say, we have filed representations, they are not taking any decision on it, that's why we have come to the court under 226. Now, in this case, she has written a representation to you, you have not decided on it,
27/8 lawsuit,
whatever.
when the petitioner submitted the application. when
And
you
it
receiving
takes you how many months to decide, how many weeks to decide?
27/8, when he had submitted the application, he could have filed the writ petition immediately, lordship, since he was not getting. the
You could have also answered it immediately.
But your other thing for 75 years, same procedure is going on. We are.
Maybe it has to come to a close one day.
But your.
For the next year, then,
Just at the neck of the time, they have filed this writ petition.
no, the railway is also very wrong.
Lordship, it will cause serious prejudice to the entire.
It
very
might cross,
committee
but then you are not following your own, you are not being fair.
Yeah, yeah, Lordship.
You are not being fair to to everybody, to the law.
No, we have processed
Look at,
on the.
look at,
Lordship, we have
just a
processed.
minute.
Yes, Lordship.
Look at this
As per the
affidavit filed by the Divisional Engineer Works, NF Railway,
Yes.
in PIL. It is submitted that competitive bidding is possible when more than one party involved. Open auction may be done to fetch better value. In page 33,
Yes, Lordship.
this is your stand. Out here, there is no open auction also. You have not even compared what is anything. What was the price offered by you? Yes, what is the price offered by you for the puja? And what is the price offered by you, madam?
Price 5 lakhs.
5 lakh.
So I need to take instruction because we are not prepared with.
No, there's no instruction. Tomorrow is holiday.
It's the main issue. Because just on the last day, this hearing. It is our main concern.
Yeah, yeah, Lordship. Just few minutes back, they have admitted since last 75 years, the same thing is happening, and this is fact. The same thing is happening, the people's.
I think we'll
because
stop,
of
we'll stop.
sentiments-
We'll direct that auction and nothing should be done. We'll direct the concerned
No,
police
that
station
thing,
also not to.
Lordship, this particular order may be prospective in nature, Lordship, because since everything has been done, this will create huge confusion and havoc in the area, Lordship. For the time being, since the petitioner has come belatedly, Lordship, considering the inconvenience, next time onwards, we'll proceed according to the direction of this honorable court.
Next time is not happening.
No,
When you have come to the, to the division bench in the PIL, your affidavit is of 2022,
the railway.
29
Yes,
September 22. Now it's October 24. So you have not
No,
followed.
Here in this case, it is submitted the competitive bidding is possible when more than one party involved. Open auction may be done to fetch better value.
Correct.
Now, here in this case, Lordship, we have also specified in our instruction that they have waited since April to August, Lordship.
So what?
3-4
Tell me,
Three, four
where
weeks
is your letter or notification issued that please submit your bids from this and this will be the last date of submission? Where is that? Is there any?
Then
Is there any?
Then I have to obtain the instruction, Lordship.
You
Can it be
obtain,
taken
in
at
the
two,
meantime,
Lordship?
we'll stop everything. You obtain.
Can it be taken at 2, Lordship?
We'll obtain, you obtain everything. We'll stop everything.
Kindly take it at 2, so that I can obtain all the necessary instruction, Lordship.
You obtain, whether you obtain, you come with
Because
instruction.
if
You tell your clients, I'm going to stop everything. This is not the way to deal with the court.
no, Lordship.
In the PIL, you have,
this
in the PIL, you have
yes.
said
No, in
that
the-
you will,
in the-
that you will just,
Yes.
please understand.
Yes,
It doesn't mean that just because you have the last word or just because you talk more than the others, that it's going to be followed by this court. Please understand the anxiety of this court. You have taken a decision and in your affidavit that you will have an open auction. There's no notification issued by you that bids should be issued or application should be made within a particular time. Nothing has been there. You have not answered that. I'm not saying they are everything is they are right. They are also at fault. But you are the one who is at bigger fault. You have not done anything as per law. You don't know what is your bid amount. What is your bid amount?
At two lordship.
You bring all the records,
Yes,
tell
yes,
your
I'm just bringing all the records.
otherwise you will be having a very damn puja.
At two.
Maybe at two. I don't know. You tell him I might depends.
Maybe 27.
Yes, sir. I got the instruction.
Yes.
Yes, as per my instruction, Lordship, that I mentioned, they have to file a proposal for installment to the authority, Lordship. Then it will be considered. They only in the application, they file the court amount. As per court order, they compliant paid 20 lakhs. That is, they done. Now think is the administration, they have to file a proposal to the authority, thereafter they will consider.
So by an FTE, we have already given the undertaking. Lordship.
Look, already, you see,
Yes, sir. After the court, Lordship.
Mr. Counsel,
Yes, Lordship.
please understand.
Yes.
Proposal,
Yes.
now they are in a hurry because their account has been freezed. Now, this court has told you on the last date
Yes.
that he is willing to pay the balance amount in 8 equal installments.
Yes, yes, sir.
What is your instructions to these
Yes,
proposals?
that figure, RPFC is saying that he has power up to 5 lakhs. So further, he sent the proposal to the higher authority. So then that now it's up to the court. If court pass the order, we will comply, Lordship. That is up to you, Lordship. He has power up to 5 lakhs. If court pass, we will comply.
I don't want to take the honors. That is between you two.
Yes, Lordship. So if he file any proposal, we also accept, Lordship. That's things.
Huh?
We also say if he file a petition to the authority for proposal or installment, then we also accept. There is no instruction. But he has not filed any proposal for
So
installment. also.
if required, Lordship, we are going to pay the, submit the post-dated check also.
Yes,
in
Lordship,
10
that-
installments.
yes, yes.
That's all.
Lordship, that will complete. That is our condition, Lordship. They have to file a
Yes,
proposal. We tell.
Morning we talked with
Yes,
that, you should give the post-dated check. Yes, we are ready. to
Yeah.
give. Morning, we have talked each other, Lordship. They're saying that, Lordship, in 10 installment, they are going to accept it, but provided we provide them the 10 post-dated check, 10 numbers of post-dated check.
Can you provide?
Yes, yes.
But this also we will not know.
Yes, sir. Lordship, already we have given an undertaking that we are ready to pay in every month.
Okay, so
But it
yeah,
means-
you're okay with the 8 monthly,
Yes,
you're okay. Then with the 8 monthly installments, you give. Okay, right. Heard Mr. A. Deka, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. D. De, learned counsel for all the respondents.
No, Lordship, 4 and 5.
The bank,
Respondents number 4 and 5. Mr. S. K. Medi appears for
Lordship, sorry, 2, 3 and 4, Lordship.
2, 3 and 4. Okay, Mr. S. K. Medi for 1 and Mr.
Yes.
A. Hussain for respondent number 5. Right. And just take the petitioner, comma, which is the Tinsukia Municipal Board, is agreed by the order dated 2010-2023, comma, whereby rupees 85, 79, 376 has been directed to be paid against damages and interest under the Employees Provident Fund.
Lordship, interest part, we have already paid.
Okay,
It is the damage on.
that is the entire story. Please wait for something.
Lordship,
You see, you all can argue this much, but when I write the order, I've got to give a story, no?
sorry.
I cannot start off wherever you all want. Whereby an amount of so and so. So 85 includes damages and interest. Has been directed to be paid against damages and interest under the Employees Provident Fund and Miscellaneous Provision Act 1952. Full stop. The petitioner's counsel submits that even though the appeal which had been filed by the petitioner on 13/3/2024 has not been disposed of, comma. The petitioner had deposited rupees 20,06,656 with the respondent number 234 in compliance with the order dated 6/9/24 passed by this court. Full stop. The petitioner's counsel submits that the petitioner is willing to pay the balance amount in 8 equal monthly installments starting from October 2024. Full stop. Mr. D-Day, the learned counsel for the respondent number 2, 3, and 4 submits that he does not have any objection to the proposal made by the petitioner's counsel that the petitioner will pay the balance amount of rupees
6572
720 in 8 monthly installments starting from October 2024. Full stop. Next paragraph. In view of the consent of the party, counsel for the parties, comma, the petitioner is directed to pay the balance amount of so and so in 8 equal monthly installments, comma, that is rupees
8,
8,
21,
21,
590.
590 to the respondent number,
2 and 3.
to the respondent number 2 and 3. 2, 3 and 4. 2, 3 and 4.
Order is mainly
With effect from October 2024 till final payment. Full stop. The payment of the installments, monthly installments shall be made within the first week, within the first 7 days of each month. Full stop. Starting from October 2024. Full stop. Next para, on the payment of the first installment by the petitioner to the respondents number 2, 3, and 4, comma, that is on or before 7/10/2024. The what?
for this month, Lordship, can it be after Puja vacation? Lordship? On
No,
20th,
sorry,
15th, by
sir.
15th
No,
of
no.
By
Huh?
15th of October.
Okay, by 10th. By 10th.
10th is Lordship Puja, no.
No, puja, no. Okay, then we'll ask for defreezing of your account on the day we pay only. You pay 30th also. Defreezing will only occur on the date you pay.
Okay.
Huh? When?
When?
You cannot have your cake and eat it too. So what have I said? No, first stop. In respect of October 2024, comma, some leeway needs to be given to the petitioner as 4 days have already elapsed. Accordingly, for the month of October 2024, the petitioner shall deposit his monthly installment on or before 10/10/2024. And accordingly, who has to defreeze?
State Bank of India, Inchikable.
There and on communication of the receipt of the money by the respondent numbers 2, 3, and 4, comma, the respondent number 5 shall defreeze the petitioner's account, saving bank account or what?
Yes, SBI
Saving-
saving bank account.
Saving bank.
Current Lordship, current.
Yes, shall defreeze the petitioner's current bank account. That is with the respondent number 5.
The account number is given.
Do I have to mention that? You want it in the public domain? If you want, it's okay.
Not required.
Lordship, as regards to undertaking, they have to give 10 post-dated checks, Lordship.
Should I? I'm not going to say that. Post-dated check, you all talk about it. I'm not going to say.
That is there.
That is between you and.
But see, order is also we are ready to pay.
Yes.
We pay also.
Correct. I'm not going to
Yes.
say you give post-dated
Yes,
check.
yes, that is our condition. Okay. I'm coming.
Consequently, looks like
You just say one thing. You just say the Mr. D-Day submits that the proposal of the petitioners council is agreed to, provided that post-dated checks are paid. Post-dated checks are paid for all the 8 months by the petitioner. Only that. I'm not saying.
lordship matter pending or
The writ petition is accordingly disposed of.
so that
Why should I keep it pending?
the impugn order that may be interfered with.
Huh?
Impugn order that may be interfered. Because there you already issued employee lordship recovery, revenue recovery lordship certificate. Page lordship 51 to 53.
The impugned order shall accordingly be, where is that? According
Page 51, 9/4/2024
51,
and 52. Order
Hmm.
dated
Just a minute,
9/4/2024 and 15/4/2024.
page 51.
Page 51 and 52. 51 is appointment of recovery officer and 52 is the revenue recovery certificate. 51 and 50.
So we can keep it in abeyance till final payment. The impugned orders dated 9/4/2024. No, letters dated 9/4/2024 and 15/4/2024 issued by the authorized officer and recovery officer respectively shall be set aside on payment of the final installment. Till then, the same shall be kept in abeyance. Okay? Is it okay? The writ petition is accordingly disposed of.
Maybe the lordship, in document number 5, my name is not shown in the call list. Can it be shown as A. Hussain on behalf of BK Sen?
Okay, Mr. A. Hussain on behalf of Mr.
BK Sen.
B.K. Sen.
Yes, sir.
On behalf of the respondent number?
5.
Counsel for the respondent number 5. That is at 2. No? Oh, we've got one. That, what is the time? Sir? We've got no matter. How many understood have you got? Now I've got to wait. Yes, madam, what to do with your case? Come. No. This puja.
April.
Though we are fixed at 2, what is to be done? Now it's a very. The thing is that if we now puja can go for a 6 on for the entire locality.
Your lordship, I understand. I understand your lordship's confusion as well. Is there any type, this type of order may past your lordship that Mela to be continued, but that should not be on under supervision of some person. It is to be continued. I have no idea. Just your lordship. Just I'm sharing my thinking. Maybe I am wrong. But hammering is very much required, your lordship, to break the syndicate business. I'm not against the interest of puja committee, not against the poor peoples who are organizing their shops. I can understand because I am also from that locality. That's why I know the inner thing which is going on. Many persons at different time they have tried to stop this. And the main thing is that the high officials have no knowledge about this system. Maybe I should not say this, but some people are doing this.
The problem is you have come so late in the day.
You're-
Today is Friday. Tomorrow is Saturday. Sunday is puja.
Mela started early, but puja is from 8th. Puja is from 8th.
Eight, they're
Mela
saying
started
6.
early,
Anyway.
yes.
Saturday the 6th.
Your Lordship, puja will not hamper. Puja will go.
Puja, but then the Mela will.
Mela is started before.
So Mela has already started.
Yes, Your Lordship. From 6th onwards, it will start.
From
But
6th
puja
it will
is from-
start.
Puja is Shashti, Saptami, Ashtami, Your Lordship.
So puja will not be affected by
No.
this.
Puja is separate. Mela is something, Your Lordship, fair, it's a mini fair.
I know. But then it goes hand in hand, no? In a way.
People will go to enjoy the Mela, that's it.
Correct. Everyone doesn't go to pray all the time. You pray plus enjoy.
The only issue is that one big thing, if we want to stop one big scam, Your Lordship, then one hammer is very much required.
Why did you come so late, madam?
Your Lordship,
Why you wait the last minute? That's the problem.
actually, their time is for 15 days, Your Lordship. Before 15 days of any happening, they will call for bidding. And that was
You came only on 3rd October. This case was listed on 3rd October. So late in the day.
27th, they have dropped the material. Actually, my client was following like that. Before, if a before came, then they will say, no, we are processing. Why you have come so earlier? It will premature. No, Your Lordship, we are processing. The same thing will happen. And the same thing will happen in PIL also, Your Lordship. Your Lordship may see that earlier in PIL, there is an apprehension. The respected lawyer has submitted that Mr. R.P. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, however, has expressed the apprehension that even in future, the respondent authorities may not allow the master circular data sets.
Where
It
is
was
that,
a court
where is that circular?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Where is that master circular?
Master circular, annexure 4, Your Lordship, page. Annexure 4. Page 20. Page 20, clause 2.2, last part.
This, okay. This 2.2, no?
Yes, Your Lordship. And then there are another manual, Your Lordship, as annexure 5, page 25. May kindly see. Annexure 5, page 25.
Annexure 5, page 25.
And the relevant part is at annexure, page 28, relevant part. Page 28, clause K. Clause K, licensing of land for short duration. And the last part of the last line. However, when more than one party is involved, open auction may be done to fetch better value. This is their clause. And now they are saying first come first. There is no such clause. I have
Correct.
personally searched. There's no.
No, there cannot be first come, first serve. Then for next year, you go right, you file a application today. If they say first come, first serve, you file it. Next week you file one straight away for next year. Then first come, first serve. Okay, anyway, we have fixed it at 2. So you did this. Miranko filed in the thing. Okay, at 2 o'clock. Yes. Where is Mr. SP Gupta? Hmm? SP Chaudhary. Yes, what you are for?
Actually, my lord, here I put the West Chem Kalibai, Durga Vijayapur. But
Your
I have
father?
not been made a party here.
Huh?
Respondent number E. We have applied for the permission. In the name of this thing, he is one of our members, he is our MC member. This respondent number E. But here, the West Chem Kalibai is not a part.
Maybe. How are you, so, maybe. So The work has been allotted to whom?
Lordship.
The,
The instruction that I have received, Lordship, they have not allotted the work to any party, Lordship. Till date, it is pending,
not allotted.
not.
Then what do you talk about? What about this letter?
Lordship, in this particular letter, they have taken a decision, but they have not finalized. In the last paragraph, what they mentioned as such, railway has decided to allot the question to the rest camp Kalibari committee. This is a decision they have taken.
They have taken a decision to.
Yes, but the final authority has not taken a call with regard to that.
You hold an auction tomorrow between these two. Between the Kalibari. And then
One more thing,
whoever,
Lordship.
huh?
I just want to point out one more aspect of the matter. If your Lordship kindly see the first application, that is at annexure 1, page number 17.
Hmm.
Page number 17.
Hmm.
This particular application has been filed by one REST CMP Mela committee, not the REST Mela committee, REST CMP Mela committee.
By Manoj Das.
Yes, by the Manoj Das, but the petitioner herein is Manoj Kumar Das. Now, whether he has approached or whether he has made the application, there is no certainty with regard to that.
In affidavit, it is written as Manoj Kumar Das.
Manoj Kumar Das alias Manoj Das, page 16.
In affidavit, it is there, but in the writ petition, the cost stated.
Anyway, it doesn't matter.
Because they are little bit confused with regard to that. They have asked me to
that is.
this to
You see, as
this
per,
aspect of the matter.
as per the various your documents and the stand taken by you before the division bench, it has to be done by way of a tender or by way of an auction process. It is clear. You cannot come and do first come, first serve basis. That way, thought this afternoon, let her file a application for next year's Durga Puja, that Mela. If it's first come, first serve, then she'll get it. That will not.
No,
So
since
now
they have
since
not
it's,
finalized it, Lord.
since everything is
Yes.
being done,
Yes,
let there be an auction tomorrow at 11 o'clock. Let their party come, let their party come. Whoever is the highest, let him get.
Yes.
One more thing, that to hold any matter, permission from the deputy commissioner is necessary. Whether the petitioner has taken that permission or not, we do not know.
That you see, you see that maybe what you say may be correct. But the fact of the matter is, they have not done anything.
My lord, this
Well-
deputy commissioner to hold this Durga Puja and oh,
No, it is only, Mela is different.
and we have informed to the deputy commissioner.
You have informed.
Yes.
Where is your permission to hold? DC has given?
Yes, it is given to us.
Well, we'll set it aside.
And this is our permission that is.
You cannot, that will not be effective. Unless and until you are found to be the successful bidder. This will not be effective.
This is the letter we prayed for that to hold the matter before the deputy commissioner to the officer.
So how come they've not taken a decision? How did you ask for permission?
My lord, this puja and this mela we are organizing in connection with this puja days only.
Huh?
Only related to the puja days.
Maybe, Mr. Council. Do you know this is railway land?
That is what we
Now-
apply for.
Now, you see, what is the circular issued by the railways, do you know, for leasing out land for melas? Have you seen the circular? You have not seen the circular.
But it's the-
Master circular.
Master circular has been superseded by another circular. Plus there is a manual. Plus there is a undertaking given by them in their affidavit before the division bench, which says that all these vacant land for the purpose of use will be given only by way of auction if there are more than one person's or a tendering process. So what remains? Just because you have asked for permission does not mean that you should get the permission. And the division bench has said that at the end it has said that allotment should be made only in accordance with law. So now they have not followed the law. Railways have not followed the law. So and there is nothing to show that there was any bar for the petitioner to take part in the proceedings for allotment of the land. So let there be tomorrow, they jointly do it, they can do it within a short time. That way railways will make money also. Whoever gives the highest bid, the railways will make money. It is for revenue. How much did you say, what was your bid?
Your Honor, my lord, last time, it is the railway, they fix the amount.
Maybe, but
because-
there is only one person.
Yes.
Now there are two. So, and the petitioner, she has said that she has offered 5 lakhs.
Plus more than 5 lakhs, we had
So tomorrow you do the bidding.
that.
Whoever wins, railways will profit. It will be government money. Railways will make some money out of it. But you have to follow the law. What do you say, Mr. SP Chaudhary?
Yes, Lordship. I think that is the reason why they have not finalized this particular thing.
Okay, then you just write one more thing. Mr. SP Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the, wait, just a minute. Acha, what is your name?
D Nandi,
D Nandi, for point number 8.
4 number.
And that area, is it called Rest Camp Kalabari area? Or?
Kalibadi,
It is, what is it called?
Rest Camp Kalibari is the Mandi temple.
Acha,
And the
adjacent to that.
other side is a colony area at.
we'll just say vacant area near the rest camp,
Rest camp
near the
Kalibadi.
rest camp area,
Kalibadi.
near the rest camp Kalibari
Kalibadi.
area.
Rest camp is the entire area. Kalibadi is the main area where the Durga Puja will be held.
But where is the mini fair going to be held?
Near to that Kalibadi. The railway land is there.
Rest Camp area, Rest Camp area.
Rest camp area, rest camp area. I'll just say rest camp area. Okay. So you're the rest camp Kalabari committee.
There
Rest
are two
camp.
committees.
What is the committee names? Rest camp
Rest camp Kalibadi, annexure 1 and annexure 2, Lordship.
Kalibari.
One is Rest camp Kalibadi,
Ah,
established in the year 1948.
what is that?
This is the annexure 2, Lordship. This is one committee.
Acha, okay.
And another is the first annexure 1, page number 17.
That is rest camp.
Rest camp Mela Committee. REST CMP Mela.
Rest camp Mela committee.
This is not camp, Lordship, CMP Mela Committee.
Rest camp Mela committee.
Mela Committee.
Rest camp Mela committee. Now this has been allotted to the rest camp. This
Not
work-
allotted, Lordship. It
Huh?
has not been finalized. Still not finalized. The process has been
finalized.
initiated but not finalized. But the issue is that since they filed the application in the year, in the month of April 2024, that's why that was processed earlier. First come, first served.
Okay,
basis.
you have decided to allot it to rest camp Kalibari.
Yes. Decision has been taken but not finalized.
And the respondent number 8 belongs to the rest camp Kalibari.
Kalibadi. Annexure 2.
Okay, anyway, so. Para 10, just write para 10. Mr. SP Chaudhary, learned CGC submits that till date, the respondent number 8 or any, he submits that till date, no person, including the respondent number 8, has been given the permission to organize the
Mela.
mini Mela bracket fair in the rest camp area. Full stop. Then, oh yes, what is your submission now?
Our submission is that the West Camp Kalibadi, Mela committee would have been made a part.
That is one.
That is not being done.
That is that one. Number 2.
We have not been provided with any copy of this petition.
No, I want to know one thing. Now the railway says that you have not been allotted the right to construct the Mela as on date. Though a decision has been taken, no formal communication has been made to utilities. Is that correct?
As on today, there is nothing.
So that I wanted to know that. Okay, right. Wait, huh? The name is Mr. Dean on.
Permission they have applied for that I have placed.
Okay. Have you started construction? Without allotment?
My lord, because we were totally in doubt that any other person has applied. Because there is no.
And when is it going to be finalized, the construction?
At the earliest, but
When will it be finalized? When are you going to complete?
will be completed very soon, moment we get it. Within a day, because from Mahalaya, from yesterday it is to start.
Let's see, huh? Out here, correct. Okay. He accordingly submits. Though the petitioner has not been allotted has not been given the written approval by the railways for organizing the temporary mini fair / mela in the rest camp area, comma. The respondent number 8 in anticipation has taken the permission of the Deputy Commissioner of Police, West Guwahati Police District, for organizing the mini fair. Correct. He also submits that the rest camp Kalibari, which has not made a party in the writ petition, has already applied for permission from the Deputy Commissioner. No, that's not. He also submitted, no, stop. Then that's all, huh? He also submits that the rest camp Kalibari committee, which of which the respondent number 8 is a part of, has not been made a party in the writ petition. Okay, next paragraph. I have heard the learned counsels for the parties. The submissions made by the learned counsel for the parties show that no final decision, this shows that though a decision has been taken by the railways to award the organizing of the mini fair / mela to the respondent number, respondent number 8 and the rest camp Kalibari committee, comma. No written order has been issued to them till date. Gustav. Further, a perusal of the master circular dated 10/1/2005, comma, the Indian Railways Works Manual and the affidavit of the respondents number 1 to 7 in PIL number 61 of 2022 shows that when there are more than one party for temporary licensing of land for conducting melas / carnivals, comma, tendering process or open auction may be done to fetch better revenue. Full stop. Next para. The division bench of this court, wide order dated 19/10/22, passed in PIL 61 of 22, has also directed the railways, the Union of India and the railways to make allotment of railway land for the the trade fair / mela carnival only in accordance with law. Full stop. in view of the above, it is clear that the allotment, the decision of the railways to the respondent number 8 and the Rest Camp Kalibari Committee to conduct the mini Mela / carnival on the basis of first come, first serve basis, on first come, first serve basis is patently illegal and in violation of the circulars issued by the railways and the order passed in the PIL number 61/2022. Full stop. As such, this court is of the view that the Rest Camp Kalibari cannot be allowed to, the respond Kalibari and the respondent number 8, who is a part of Rest Camp Kalibari, cannot be allowed to conduct the mini Mela / fair unless and until a tender process or an open auction selection process is conducted by the authorities. Full stop. Next para, at this stage, the counsel for the railways and Mr. D. Nandi, the learned counsel for the respondent number 8, submits that they have got no objection if an auction process is conducted by the railway authorities on 6/8. Tomorrow, can you do it holiday?
Tomorrow is difficult. Then on 7th, I think.
7th is Sunday.
7th will be Monday.
Monday.
Oh, today is Friday. 4th, 5th. No, tomorrow on 5th, on 5, at 11 a.m. On 5, on 5, between the petitioner and the respondent number 8, who represents the Rest Camp Kalibari, for conducting the mini fair / carnival. And accordingly, in view of the consent of the parties, this writ petition is disposed of with the direction to the respondent number.
See, respondent number 5.
To respondent number 5, to conduct a open auction between the petitioner and the respondent number 8 and any other person who wants to participate in the auction process for conducting / organizing a mini Mela / fair in the Rest Camp area belonging to the Rest Camp area in Maligaon belonging to the railways.
I know this Pandu.
Huh?
Pandu, not Mali.
Not Maligaon, Pandu. PANDU. Pandu, It is needless to add that the highest bidder should be allotted the work of conducting the mini Mela / fair. It is accordingly directed that the mini auction, that the open auction between the parties hearing and any other interested bidder may be held at 2 p.m.
2 p.m.
Held at 2 p.m. on 5/10/2024 in the office of the respondent number 5. The writ petition, that's all. The writ petition is accordingly disposed of. You call the other people. Let him. Let him. Yes. What is your case? Any other?
My lord, can it be taken up as the last item in the list? There are 3 items because Mr. Portagol is on legs in another court matter.
Okay, next.
I'm deeply obliged.
What is this case?
Well, in substance,
the AFTC authority, it's not that cryptic. The AFTC authorities have a policy in fishery settlement. They have a particular clause. It says if the highest valid bidder does not take the fishery, then it is offered to the second highest bidder
At the
at
price
the
of,
rate of the first highest bidder. We challenged it in the writ petition, and this honorable court observed, please to observe, that you cannot force the second highest bidder at the rate of the first highest bidder.
correct,
And otherwise also, the second highest bidder cannot force them to accept at whatever rate I propose. So there, it opens a door for negotiation. If the first does not take, the second gets a chance to negotiate at a viable rate. Let us
correct.
put it that way. Accordingly, they offered me to take because the first one did not take.
Hmm.
I offered them this, saying that, would you mind if I take it at the second highest, my rate? They have not responded to that. Now, puja is come. If they go ahead with the tender, my right to negotiate goes, which otherwise is secured. This clause is valid. They have secured it. We have secured it. Only a negotiation is pending. Could it be taken up on reopening in the meantime? They take a call. That's all.
We are not for negotiation, Lordship. It is
have
already
to.
decided matter.
We have decided.
No, decided by the court also, Lordship. We are not bound, we cannot take any negotiation, Lordship, due to full bench judgments.
I invite my
Hadia
lord,
Gablan judgment,
Huh?
we have no right and authority to negotiate anything in tender process by, it is decided by the full bench of this court, Lordship.
I invite my lord's attention to
My
page
learned
20.
friend- My learned friend knows very well.
Page 20. Page 20. I'll stand corrected if I'm wrong. Page 20 for a moment. Paragraph 10. This is the order which the honorable single judge. has filed.
Is he very hot? He feels cold.
Page 20, my lord.
Yes.
Paragraph 10. It's our case. We had filed. In that view of the matter, the last paragraph, in that view of the matter, while it is held that the petitioner cannot be forced to accept the rate of the first highest bidder, the department also cannot be given a direction to offer a rate of the second highest bidder if it is not viable to the department. In substance, my lord, first highest bidder goes, no one can force each other.
Correct.
Only the viability part. I have represented upon their offer. It's a contractor. Their offer, my counter offer. Now let them take a call. That's what I'm saying. Don't float the tender. Take a call.
No, so he wants to,
Vacation is coming.
just a minute. So basically, take a decision
That's all.
as to whether you're going to allot him whether you're going to allot him the fishery as per his price. If you don't, then you don't. That's
Then
all.
no.
Finish.
So Lordship, we can dispose it of within a minute, Lordship.
Ah.
But the thing is that the petitioner has already preferred a petition before this.
Yes.
Prefer the
Preferred a petition before this honorable court.
different petition
Different petition.
on the same issue.
On the same issue, Lordship. That he wants in a second bidding. Around 1 year, he got the stay, Lordship. 1 year, he enjoyed stay also. He has enjoyed.
Will be correct. 20th of September 24, they give us this offer. Will you take at the rate of the first highest bidder? I respond to that. We had misplaced that. We got it now. I offer that no, I will take it at the second highest bidder. Thank you so much. But if you can respond to it, it's your offer invoking the clause. We had challenged the validity of the clause.
Where is your letter?
Yes. Page 20.
Lordship,
Page 20.
28.
Page 15, Lordship.
Page 15.
Page 15, Lordship.
Yes,
Page 15, the order, Lordship. I got it.
yes.
This is the Gonakpara fishery, same fishery.
Same
Lordship.
fishery.
Same fishery.
Ah.
They came to this court, honorable court, saying that they won the bid in the second bid.
They want
They won in the rate, they won the rate at the rate
at the rate quoted by them.
quoted by them. Whatever may be, whether he is there in the second bid, Lordship. So this has been decided. They enjoyed to stay also for many months, Lordship. So now they are coming again, Lordship. They should have challenged it, Lordship.
No, I stand
What did
corrected. That is
No,
not the
no,
case.
no. He what he's saying is, he wants a written document saying that you do not accept, you cannot, you do not accept his second bid, his bid.
That's all.
That's
all.
Lordship, yes.
Oh, just give him a letter, that's all.
What has happened is,
But no stay, Lordship.
No
I'm not
stay,
taking
no
a
stay,
stay,
no
not
stay,
taking for a
no
stay.
stay, no stay, no stay.
what I'm saying.
In fact, I'll dispose of the writ petition. There's nothing. I'll dispose it of, I'll just say, take a decision and communicate the decision to him within a week. by next week, you just communicate.
Could it be
Well-
sometime, puja vacations are coming the week?
No, 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 how, why, how does it?
Anyway,
Let them take a decision whether they accept your
so far
bid.
the submission made.
By tomorrow I can give.
So far,
Huh?
sub-
How you give it to him? You want to give it to him today also, it's
Yes,
okay.
yes,
You give it to him 5 minutes later also.
Yes, Lord.
But
It's a
one
corporation.
thing
No-
is
no-
that
no approval is required.
the AFTC sought to make a submission to the council, which is not correct. Because after this honorable court's order, they have offered us.
Ah,
We did not venture to in their office.
how you did not?
We did not venture into the office seeking that, kindly give it to me. It was your offer.
No, but so we'll tell
Correct.
them to take a
Absolutely.
decision.
We have a right.
Show me that offer.
It's in vernacular, we have to answer it.
Yes, sir. But here, Lordship, page number 28, their letter, Lordship. Page
Correct.
number-
Yes, we responded to that.
So you take a decision on that 28, that's what they want. You take a decision on page 28.
On the viability clause. Whether it's viable to them or not. That's
No,
all.
that is,
That's the judgment order,
that is decided, Lordship. If it are viable or not, it is decided. It is a law, Lord.
Mr. Council, just take a decision on this, that's all. He's saying, I have given my bid, my bid amounts. You accept it or not, that's all.
That's all.
That's all. Right. Heard Mr. S. Banik, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that in pursuance to the NIT dated
14/23,
14
number 14/23,
oblique 23 dated
8/12.
8/12/2023. The petitioner emerged as the second highest valid bidder. Full stop. However, as the highest valid bidder refused to accept settlement of the fishery, the authorities issued a communication dated 20/09/2024, invoking clause 12.1 of the NIT, whereby the fishery was offered to the petitioner for settlement at the rate offered by the highest bidder. The petitioner submitted a representation dated 26/9/2024, offering to accept representation dated 26/9/2024, refusing to accept the offer made by the state respondents to settle the fishery at the rate offered by the highest bidder. The petitioner, in his letter dated 26/9/2024, stated that the fishery may be settled at the rate offered by the petitioner in his tender documents. Full stop. Next para. The petitioner's counsel submits that till date, the respondents have not taken a decision on the petitioner's representation dated 26/9/2020. Full stop. He submits that a direction should be issued. Now what? Have I missed out something?
He's trying to suggest that, my lord, since the honorable court had said it's only a thing of viable rate, so the decision should be on the viability of it. Because we have got materials to show that in other cases they're accepting. Anyway, I'll leave it to-
I have reservation on that. We cannot go
I'll
beyond.
leave it
Sir,
to-
first-
Next one.
We cannot go, Lordship, that also the honorable court has said, we cannot go because
Very
it's a
well.
full
Let
court
me check on
judgment.
the next
Lordship.
one.
Full court judgment,
Let
we
them
cannot
take
give anybody.
He submits that a direction should be issued to the respondents to take a decision on the petitioner's representation dated 26/9/2020. Full stop. Mr. P. Sharma, learned counsel for the APDCL, AFDC submits that he will submit that the respondents will make a reply to the petitioner's representation within a period of 1 week from today. Full stop. I have heard the learned counsel for the parties. Full stop. In the case of Ganak Para Fishery Cooperative Society Limited versus State of Assam and two others, WPC 7555/2023, which was disposed of by judgment and order dated 11/9/2024. This court had held
Page 20. Paragraph 10.
in para 10 as follows. At page 20, okay? First up. In view of the fact that the respondents have not taken a decision on the petition's representation dated 26/9/2024, the respondent shall take a decision on the same and communicate it to the petitioner within a period of 1 week from today. The writ petition is accordingly disposed of.
Deeply obliged.
Next, call the next. Call that, Anupam. Yes, what is this?
Well, here what happened, my lord? On 3/8/2024, an NIT was issued,
3/8/24.
yes, by the, that was not relevant to be noted multiple times, I think.
Just a minute, just a minute, just a minute. Yes,
On my 3/8/2024, an NIT was issued, my lord, for distribution of, for transportation of National Food Safety Act items by to different locations in Dhuri district by the Deputy District Commissioner Dhuri. And my lord, that was without any reason cancelled on 2/9/2024.
what was cancelled?
That earlier NIT was cancelled. No reason was given, simply all are not found suitable. While suitable, nothing was reason. Anyway, that I am not on that. The second NIT.
Let us see, the second NIT dated,
My lord, second NIT 3/9/2024.
okay.
Thereby, in that there are certain conditions which I am concerned with is, with her, my lord, condition number 14/24 of the NIT.
14 and 24.
Yes, and as well as, my lord, 23 also. Now, my lord, I have fulfilled the conditions except the one, Char area experience was not necessary in a
Page
page they will also come to
22.
yes, 22.
14 is vehicles must have the GPS. So 14 is with GPS.
GPS and the trucks and the boats, boats, cargo trucks is necessary. I have given the list of them with all registration numbers. In spite of that, my lord,
You do not have what do you do? What don't you
I
have?
don't have, my lord, Char area. Of course, I have experience for the last 3-4 years.
But where is that serial number?
Close
21.
21, close 21.
It will transport your rice under NSA. Priority should be given.
Yes, priority should be not.
And having, okay.
Then, my lord, I failed in that because I don't have Char area. Otherwise, I have got experience in other areas in Assam since 2021-22. Now, my lord, the respondent 7/5, who has been allotted, will also kindly come to the same condition, condition of 14 and 24. He has violated both the conditions.
Which one is violated?
14 and 24.
14 and 20.
Yes. Here, my lord, in 14, my lord, he is to submit the list of cargo trucks and cargo ports. He has submitted the list of passenger boats and passenger buses. Dumper and passenger boats with 100 capacity passenger, 50 capacity passenger. How can cargo be carried in passenger boats, my lord? And dumper.
And dumper.
Dumper.
Dumper can be carried. What is dumper?
Carrying boulder and sands, my lord.
So what?
But
So
no,
what?
condition is trucks, my lord. The condition is
So
to
dumper is a truck, in a way, it's a truck. It's a different, it's the only thing is that it dumps the thing, that's all. The only thing is that it dumps the thing, that's all. It's a truck, it's a truck.
Size also like this one.
No, that doesn't make any difference.
And my lord, also the bank deposits are being made in through National Bank, my lord. The private respondent number 5 has paid through private bank. Condition was through National Bank.
Which condition? Which condition number?
Just a minute. Condition number 24 is, I'll also kindly come to 22 onwards. 23. One part of the cow will have. Condition number 21. 21 and 24, my lord. The bidder should have to upload the copy of the solvency certificate with minimum amount of 1 crore 50 lakhs also only for.
Look, you said that respondent number 7 does not have the qualification required under 14 and 24. Now, why are you talking about 21? I don't understand.
21, sorry. Okay. Now,
No, what? He doesn't have which qualification?
that 14 and 21.
14 and 21, not 24. Huh?
14, 21, 24, my lord, three conditions. Just a minute. Twenty-four is relevant, my lord. Page 23.
Huh?
Page 23.
I got it, but I want to be very clear. Respondent number 7 does not have which qualifications?
Condition number 14 and 24, my lord, particularly.
24, not 21.
21 is not very relevant.
Then why are you reading 21?
Actually, what happened, my lord, here, I failed in survey area certificate because I don't have experience. And he has failed in 2 conditions. So in fact, the entire decision making process of the tender was, you might say, if I submit, was wrong. So there should be a fresh tender, my lord. Instead of going to go give the work to unqualified tenderer. Condition, if the condition, because conditions are set up by the tendering authority. Nobody can challenge it. This is the latest decision of this court, as well as the Delhi High Court. Full bench decision of Delhi High Court. So what condition is there is no fulfilled? I have given the mother in paragraph 10, what are the conditions he could have fulfilled? I detailed out. Page 11, paragraph 10.
Page 11, paragraph 10.
Yes, these are the conditions in my petition. He has not fulfilled.
Paragraph 10, page 11. Where does it start?
Page 11 of my petition. Madam.
Page 11, there is 1, 2, there is no 10.
Paragraph 10, written by hand. Written by hand.
Nothing is written by hand. Not in my copy. Where?
Paragraph.
Page 11.
Page 11, madam, condition number 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and next page 3.
How does page 10 start? Para 10 start? What is the first word? You're not sure, you're not clear also.
Committee, madam.
You're not clear. Your senior counsel also not clear about the petition.
Because they adopted extra 19
No, but then you have to clarify. You are the senior counsel.
Sentence starts from committee, madam.
Huh?
Sentence starts with committee.
The sentence starts from committee.
Person.
I know. How does it start? There's no 10 also. No 10 is written also.
If I am not qualified, madam, he is also not qualified.
Yes, what?
Yes, my lord. What's in a page 30, my lord.
Page 30.
Page 30. In respect of number 1, my lord, Horen Mohanto, my lord, he is the respondent number 5, my lord. The
Page 30.
Page 30.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Page 30, my lord.
Yes, which paragraph?
Paragraph, my lord. 1, my lord. One
Yes.
last portion, my lord.
Yes.
The bidder has submitted the soil area certificate along with other necessary documents as per term and condition of the NIT, madam. All other necessary documents, madam.
So
In respect of response number 4. In respect of my petition, my lord, next page, my lord, 31. From the my lord, again, my lord, point number 3, my lord. Again, the earnest money deposit of so and so received in favor of
Wait,
the petitioner
where?
is
Page-
not in favor of district commissioner, my lord. From again, my lord.
Where are you reading? Where are you reading?
Page 31, my lord.
Which line?
7 liner. From the top 7 liner. From the word, my lord, again. Right hand side, my lord. Again, on the earnest money deposit received from the Vivek Transport Agency, but not in favor of district commissioner. It should be in favor of district commissioner, not in favor of district commissioner as per terms and condition. Again, the solvency certificate of the bidder is not found in original, and no soil area experience certificate is found, and hence is rejected.
Yes, your earnest money.
Yes, otherwise my loss will only come to page 28. Because the format given by the bank, there is no column for whom to place. Your loss will only come. It is written placed to the district commissioner Dhupuri, Assam.
Yes.
By handwriting. So there is no in the.
Where are you all reading? You all, you see,
Yes,
the
28
problem is you all know which to be top, bottom, middle, where.
No, no.
For us, it's the first time
Yes.
we are coming to across this.
Page 28, first on the top.
On the top, yes.
Place.
Vivek Transport Agency is there.
No, written by hand, mother, because there is no.
Oh,
column.
pledge.
To district commissioner Dhubri, because there is no column in the bank format, my lord.
I don't know, this is unreadable also you have given. There has to be.
So it was in the place
Yes.
with the deputy
You
commissioner.
see, there are so many tenders being issued day in, day out. So many earnest money being
Yes.
deposited. How
So
come?
it was placed to the district commissioner Dhubri, no doubt. Because if I cannot place it in my own name.
In favor of district commissioner, my lord.
Yes. Place to district commissioner Dhubri, Assam, clearly.
How can you say after thousands, not even thousands, millions and millions of tender issued and this thing, earnest money being deposited in millions and millions of contract, only in this, there is no place for,
No,
there's no place for,
It's the format. In format, there is no column.
we'll issue notice, that's all,
Yes, sir.
for the time. Right. Right. Is this? Heard Mr. R.P. Sharma, Leonard Senior Counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the petitioner participated in the NIT dated 3/9/2024 for transportation of food grains to different locations in the district of Dhubri under the National Food Security Act, 2030. The petitioner's bid was rejected on the ground that his bid was not in conformity with clause 14, 23 and 24 of the NIT. On the other hand, though the bid of the respondent number 5 was not in terms of clause 14 and 24 of the NIT, the same had been held to be responsive. Being aggrieved by the rejection of his bid and acceptance of the bid of the respondent number 5, the present writ petition has been filed. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks.
They did not feel,
Miss, huh? 3 weeks. 3 weeks. Mr. M. Chetty accepts notice on behalf of
So 1 to 4 1.
1 to 4. Petitioner takes steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 5 by registered post with AD within 3 days. Or within the course of the day. Within the course of the day. Leaves the matter
25th,
out of 3 weeks, huh?
25th of.
25th. 25th, lots of matter. After that, after 25th, there are too many matters. 3 weeks will be after that. 28. Any selection of the successful bidder shall be subject to the outcome of the writ petition.
Right.
What is this about Assam Fisheries? Given that Assam Fisheries takes place.
May please, your lordship. So, first of all, my lord, I'm sorry for your lordship's inconvenience as well as to my learned friend, my lord. My lord, the issue involved with this writ petition is in a very narrow campus. My lord, will kindly peruse page 21. This is the first NIT which was issued on 5/5/2023.
Just a minute, just a minute. This is with regard to a fishery?
No, my lord, regarding a hut, matlab bazaar,
Hut.
bazaar market.
For which period?
For the period 22, 23, 24. My lord, there is a history involved in this writ petition.
No, no.
Because
Eh,
subsequently.
No.
Yeah.
Just a minute. You're trying to go up like an uncontrolled train. Before you go up, I just wanted to know, the period has expired.
Period is expired. They have issued a fresh NIT, but because of a decision at page 62. Hello, this is a cabinet decision. And kindly your lordship will see, ensuring fair prices for markets and bazaars. I think your lordship has already know about this one. Hello, based on. this
29/6/24.
Yes.
Notification.
Yes. Now, my lord, on the basis of this notification, it allowed the existing lessees to run the market on the rate fixed by them. Now, my lord will kindly see.
The existing list.
Huh?
Yes, I'm the existing lessee, on the basis of which I'm running. Now, my lord will kindly see at page 65. They have allowed me to run for subsequent 3 months. For the July, August, September, I have run. Now, at page
73.
73. But before your lordship peruses 73, may I take your lordship to page 70?
Yes.
This is a order dated 28/8/2024. This was issued by the Deputy Chief Executive Officer to the petitioner. Your lordship will kindly see to Mr. So-and-so, lessee so-and-so. Subject regarding toll collection of so-and-so. Dear concerned, as you are aware that the 1 month lessee period of so-and-so for the month of August 2024 will come to an end on 31/8/2024. But as per the government letter under reference, new tender of so-and-so will be floated later on because of that cabinet decision. Therefore, you will be allowed to be the lessee for the so-and-so for a period of 1 month with effect from 1/9/2024. Subject to a deposit of amount 16,760. This is the same amount which they have fixed because this is an amount which is based on my.
Yes, so.
Yes. Now, my lord, without any rhyme and reason, they issued an order at page 73. And the reason for issuing this order will kindly see your lordship to the executive officer. Now, subject so-and-so. Sir, madam, as directed by the chief executive officer, Gwalpara Zilla Parishad, you are requested to take necessary action for collection of toll departmentally for so-and-so for the period so-and-so, which was cancelled by the Gwalpara Zilla Parishad because of failure to deposit toll. Toll deposited not at par with actual valuation of the market by the concerned lessees. My lord, I have deposited all the toll. My market, the rate which I am providing is as per the actual valuation. Look, what is the reason of issuing this order? And your lordship, why I am agree? Because this order was issued pursuant to page 74. These were the- Page 74. These were the bazaars and ghats which was cancelled pursuant to this order, and I am at serial number 30. This is the case only, my lord. My lord, what was the reason of cancelling my settlement? Because they stated that I have not deposited, I have not.
This is a question of fact.
Yes,
Yeah.
your
This is not a question of law.
But I
Your
have
lordship,
already
it is-
stated,
it
my
is-
lord, I have
It
already
is
paid.
not that his settlement has been cancelled. He was allowed to run the market on the basis
Extra.
of monthly basis, your lordship.
Ah,
As I- September month has already been elapsed.
ah,
Now the first October has been started.
Correct.
And department has taken over.
correct.
105.
No problem.
105.
Ah.
My lord, had it been the.
No, you see,
cancellation
Mr.
for all
Counsel, you see,
cases,
one thing is that if you feel that, okay, it has been cancelled now, but then what is your right to, what is the right
Is
to,
no locus
what is the right to continue?
Because of this order, my lord.
No, that order is only for,
But-
1 month.
Your lordship peruses that notification. Existing
No,
lessee.
sorry.
My lord, existing lessee, my lord.
Next thing, that has been set aside by this court
Yes.
in many
Fine,
orders.
fine.
That order, your lordship.
That particular portion. All the existing lessees who have been allowed to continue, all set aside.
Yes, sir. So that is
My lord-
interfered and.
And this is in all.
My lord, I agree with your lordship, but the reason if they have stated that your period has expired, that is why we are not continuing with you. We are going to appoint the next fresh receipt. That is not the reason, my lord. The reason is that I have not paid the deposit toll.
No, but then you see, where is the right given to you to continue to collect toll in October? Where is that? There-
Because
There is
after,
no right given to you, no right given to you.
but after the period which have expired.
After period is expired,
I have been collecting from August, September,
maybe,
based on their.
no right,
document.
Mr. Counsel, no case. I can understand if you are given the right to collect toll till December and then they cut off your time period due to that reason. But that is not the case. Your time period is expired. It's not an existing valid agreement, settlement. It's all finished. The settlement period is gone. No case.
Like, I can only humbly state that the reason which they are now stating that is not the reason for my cancellation. That is my only humble submission, I think. Rest I can only leave it to your lordship. Because the reason which they have stated is that I have not.
Yes, this reason you have given is actually as if he's pocketing some money. He's doing some illegal thing. This reason is not, it doesn't seem to be fair. It says that because of failure to deposit toll, not at par with actual valuation of the
Your
market.
lordship, it's a general order for 30 markets. He may not be the same person, your lordship.
Mm.
But another
No, then
29
that-
markets
how
are there,
can
your
you-
lordship.
How can you brush the whole,
Whatever
all the
Mr.
collectors with one brush? You see,
Yes.
say a lawyer,
Yes, I
say a lawyer or a judge. You say that lawyer, he talks too much, or he doesn't talk at all. And that judge, he talks too much. Can you say that because of that one lawyer, all lawyers talk too much?
Yes.
Or do not talk at all? Can you paint them with the same brush? That is why out here your order, you are painting everyone with the same brush. How can you do that?
To that extent, we can redress this.
Yes, you did it to that extent.
But so far as the running of the
No,
market,
that
your lordship, he has
is no
locus.
right. No locus.
He has no locus.
Have you filed a representation against this?
So, my lord, because the reason which.
Have you filed any representation?
My lord,
You file a representation, why have you come straight here?
only on 1st of October, I got to know about this letter, my lord.
You got to know about this on 1st of October.
Yes, because this letter was issued on 27, that's a Friday, and Saturday, Sunday was holiday, my lord.
Anyway,
This
no-
period.
so
over-
I will give you the liberty to file a representation.
And they will take a decision on this.
Not on settlement.
73,
No, with respect to this,
yes.
with respect to this reason for,
Reason.
no, with respect to how they came to a finding that you had failed to deposit toll.
Yes.
Only on that,
It's
not on the other. What are the other orders that we have passed? I don't know. There are other orders where we had stayed this. There are many orders. More than 20 orders are there, where that 26/9/24, 29/6/24 has been stated. In respect of extension being given to the erstwhile settlement holder.
I'll have a look at it.
Huh?
I'll have a look at it. Actually, I don't have a.
In fact, it was me who passed the first order. also. Huh? I was the one who passed all those orders. Unfortunately, you came before the author of that order.
Well, I'm fortunate enough because of your lordship, I came to my pocket.
Right. Heard, Mr.
K. Mohammed, ma'am.
K. Mohammed, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the petitioner had been given the settlement of the Dakai Dol Pashu Hut for 2 years,
For 1 year, my lord.
for 1 year, for 1 year from,
For the period,
for the period from
once. For the period, my lord, 1/7/2023
1/7/23 to
to 36/2024.
30/06/2024. The petitioner's counsel submits that in view of the in view of the notification dated 29/6/2024 issued by the Principal Secretary to the Government of Assam from PNRD Department, the Governor of Assam was pleased to cancel all the ongoing process for settlement of markets, fisheries, etc. for the year 2024-25, for which NITs had been floated. Full stop. The notification dated 29/6/2024. However, directed that until the new tenders were finalized, the existing lessees may be given extension of their market/fisheries at the settlement value fixed for the year 2023-24. Next paragraph. The petitioner's counsel submits that pursuant to the notification dated 29/6/2024, the petitioner was allowed to operate the market for the months of
August,
July, August, and September 2024. However, he has not been allowed to operate the market any longer in view of page,
Page, my lord, 73.
in view of
Correction.
the letter dated 27/9/2024 issued by the Deputy Chief Executive Officer, Golpara Zila Parishad, which is to the effect that the petitioner had failed to deposit toll at par with the actual valuation of the market. The petitioner's counsel submits that the petitioner has submitted all the toll that had been collected and that there was no wrongdoing on the part of the petitioner in the deposit of the toll collected by him.
And even I have annexed the toll receipts.
In this respect, he has relied upon the toll receipts indexed at page 74 of the writ petition.
Page.
Huh?
65.
Okay, 65.
Yes, on page 65, 66, 67, 68.
Okay, and in this
And page
respect.
72.
Okay, his letter 65 to 72. Yes, not that other one. Relied upon the annexure, that's page 65 to 72 of the writ petition. Okay, next paragraph. The petitioner's counsel submits that the petitioner should be allowed to continue running the market on a monthly basis. In terms of the notification dated 29/6/2024. Till a regular settlement of the market is done. Mr.
Take one.
Take over, learn counsel for the,
They only responded
for the respondent.
except 3 euros. 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6 euros.
1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. And Mr. K. Gogoi for respondent number 3. Submit that. The respondents can have a relook as to whether the petitioner had submitted the toll as per the actual valuation of the market by the concerned lessees. However, he submits that the decision to operate the market departmentally by the state respondents has been decided due to the
Paragraph 10 euros.
Huh?
Paragraph 10 of this judgment.
this paragraph 10 is not here. What have you given me? This is paragraph 10. There's no paragraph 10.
37. 2024.
In view of the order dated passed by this court in WPC number. 30/07/2024 passed in WPC number 3613/24, wherein the notification dated 29/6/24 was stated insofar as it related to
Extension.
insofar as it related to
Extension of settlement.
extension of the settlement to the existing lessees. In that way, the matter, this court is of the view that in that way, the matter, it is also noticed that the petitioner has not submitted any representation with regard to his grievance. The petitioner is accordingly given the liberty to submit a representation with regard to his grievance regarding the allegation of failure to deposit toll at par with the actual valuation of the market by the concerned lessees.
There are two parts of that order: failure to deposit toll / toll deposited not at par with actual value.
Doesn't matter. The same thing. In the event the petitioner submits a representation to the with regard to the above grievance, the respondent shall take a decision on the same within a period of 3 weeks, because there's puja also. In a period of 3 weeks from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order, and communicate the decision therein to the petitioner. Insofar as the petitioner has paid for, allowing him to continue operating the market from October 2024, this court finds that, as this court is of the view that the same is barred by the order dated 30/07/2024, passed in WPC 3613/2024. Further, no permission has been given by the respondents to the petitioner to operate the market for the month of October 2024. As such, the denial, the non-giving of permission to the petitioner to operate the market beyond September 2024 does not, in the view of this court, violate any fundamental or legal right of the petitioner. The writ petition is accordingly disposed of.
I'm deeply obliged.